So before getting into today's video, there is one thing that I want to say to you guys, and that is a huge thank you for subscribing, for leaving your amazing and positive comments, and your constant love and support for my channel for the past almost 5 years. As I'm recording this video right now, we are at 98,342 subscribers. Absolutely mind blown, speechless. Like, thank you again so much for subscribing and just for being kind to me. Also, if you do like my videos and you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing down below. We are trying to get to 100,000 subscribers before the end of this year, so I would truly appreciate that. So now, let's get into the video. Reusable under eye patches. This is a huge money saver. Now, don't get it twisted. Your girl likes under eye patches. But as much as I like them, I don't necessarily think that I need to purchase them every month. If you really think about it, whatever you purchase every month is considered a bill. So if you are purchasing a bunch of under eye patches every month, that is a bill in your budget. And that is something that I looked into, and I was spending around $12 to $15 a month on under eye patches, whether they were from Pacifica, whether they were from another brand. You know, I was getting them and just putting them on at night and relaxing. And then when I sat down and did my budget for the new year, I told myself, you know what, I'm gonna start using my reusable under eye patches a lot more than purchasing the regular under eye patches that, you know, you just throw in the garbage. Reusable under eye patches can save you a ton of money and help you just use what you have. So when it comes to the reusable under eye patches, I do have an under eye cream, and when I run out of that, I'm not going to repurchase it. I'm just going to use my moisturizer as my under eye cream. So it could be a lot cheaper on my end, and then again, I'm using what I have on deck instead of just going out my way and purchasing something that I don't really need. So even if you are a fan of eye serums or like under eye cream, you can use those types of products with the reusable under eye patches. The ones I have, I'm not going to pronounce the name because I will butcher it. I do not remember how to pronounce this name, but I really like those, and I keep them in the fridge. I like that it came with a container. They were $25, and it's gonna last me up to probably 2 to 3 years, and they still stick just fine. They are very relaxing, just as much as the disposable ones. And with me doing this, I am saving a ton of money each month. Now, I'm not gonna say like I'll never buy disposable eye patches again, because maybe once in a great while it's okay to splurge on something, but keep your budget in mind, okay? Splurging on one thing doesn't mean you have to do it all the time. Use/buy only what you need. You don't need every beauty product or skincare product you see online. I will check my bank account or like my savings and stuff and be like, all right, I have an extra like $30. Let me try out that moisturizer that I see a lot of sensitive skin girls using. Maybe it will work for me. With me doing this as a job, I can definitely see how a lot of people get influenced by other social media, you know, content creators. I have also been influenced by a ton of them in the past and recently. You know, I see some girls using the foot scrubber, and I'm like,
do I need that? I don't go get a pedicure.
You always have to really have that little voice in the back of your mind when it comes to saving. Is like, do you really need that product that that person is mentioning? For me personally, I have been sticking to buying what I need. I only use moisturizer. I do have the under eye cream, like I said, but once when that's gone, it's gone. The things that I was buying, I realized like, wait, I'm just wasting money because I don't need those items at the end of the day. Because whatever makeup or, you know, beauty item that you purchase, you're going to have to repurchase within the next 3 to 6 months because those things expire. They go on our face, they do have germs on them. So eventually you are gonna have to replace that item. So think long and hard on what items you can live without, maybe just for a year or two, in order for you to save. You know, to get your savings straight for either the new year, you know, whether you want a new car, a house. The one thing that could be pushing you back from saving a lot of money is the products that you are purchasing that you don't need. 2-in-1 products are game changers. This is one less thing that you need to buy. I have a bunch of 2-in-1 products, not just for me, but for Milo, for my boyfriend. Like, we all have a 2-in-1 product. For me, it's my moisturizer and sunscreen. That is a 2-in-1 product. I don't have to buy a sunscreen and I don't have to buy a moisturizer. So it comes in just one bottle. It works great. I wear that moisturizer and sunscreen on my face every single day, even at nighttime. I love it. It doesn't break out my skin and it just works for me. Now, of course, in the summertime, if we're gonna go to the lake or a beach, I will get body sunscreen, but that's very rare because I don't like the sun, nor do I like the beach. So for me to go out my way and purchase a big bottle of sunscreen, it's just gonna be a waste because I don't lather up my entire body like that because I don't go outside like that. Like I said, if we're gonna go outside like that or camping, then we will get it. Recently, I also purchased a chapstick that is also a lip mask in one. It is from Summer Fridays, I believe. I put a little bit if my lips are chapped during the day, and at nighttime I will put a lot to kind of soothe my lips if they are really burning, and I'll just, use it as a mask. So as you guys can see, I love 2-in-1 products. It is one less thing you need to buy and it saves you a ton of money and space. And for those of you people that love to wear makeup, there is a lot of 2-in-1 makeup products. I seen the other day that there was it was like a 4 eyeshadow palette, and you can use it as a bronzer, a blush, a highlighter, and eyeshadow. Like, come on. You don't have to purchase any of those products. You can just use those 4 eyeshadows for one look. That's pretty cool. Declutter before buying anything. This way you can see what you didn't like or you didn't use. That way you won't waste any more of your hard-earned money on products that you didn't end up using or liking. This has happened to me numerous times where back in the day before I became a minimalist, I would purchase a bunch of lipsticks and lip glosses, and I was like, yep, I'm gonna use all of these every day. I'll use those when I go to the club. I'll use those when I go to work. And I only ended up using one, and all the rest went to waste. So then I realized, you know what? I don't need to purchase any of those because those colors didn't work for me. Clearly, I didn't want to wear them. So there was something about those products that I just don't like. So it's one less thing that I needed to purchase. Moving on with my new makeup kit, my new minimalist makeup kit. And this doesn't just stop at beauty products. This can go for your entire house, your clothes, literally everything that you spend money on and you bring into the house. You can put it all on the bed, look at what you didn't wear, what you didn't use, and realize like, okay, so I wasted my money on these products. I'm not gonna purchase them ever again. So as you know, like sometimes you declutter products and then you rebuy them. This way you won't think of rebuying the products that you got rid of because you know you're just gonna waste your money again because you didn't use those products in the first place. And the last thing on this list is one of my favorite tiny little quotes, and that is less is more. This is exactly what I said before. Whatever you own for your product, say you own foundation, primer, concealer, highlighter, mascara, eyeshadow, I don't know what else is out there because I don't do makeup like that, but say you own all of those things. And then you're like, you know what? I don't really wear the highlighter anymore. I don't really need my primer. Well, I could definitely live without mascara because my eyelash is already really long and dark. So that leaves you with 3 products that you normally use. So those other 3 products are out of your budget. So not only are you saving money, but you're also saving a ton of space and unnecessary waste going to the landfill because those other 3 products that you don't really use and didn't care for, you don't have to buy again. And I do want to put this in here. I'm not putting anyone down that wears a lot of makeup or that likes a lot of makeup. Whatever I do for my makeup routine might not work for you. Everyone has their differences on what they like to use. So that's why I say make a list. Figure out what you use more and what you don't use so you're not wasting your hard-earned money. I'm trying to help you guys in the long run. But there you guys have it. Those are easy money saving tips, beauty edition. Let me know down below if you would like a part 2 on this. So yeah, let me know down below if you want me to continue this new series. And again, with that all being said, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here, and just thank you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. I feel like I said thank you a little too much. Maybe not. You guys get the picture. I hope.